So hey, welcome to Statistics My Passion. Here we are discussing the Biostatistics Lab MSTL 003 PGDAST course 2023. So before starting the question, I want to share something. We are providing the paid assignments in a PDF form. You can contact me and get in just 1 minute. So, and we are providing also the PGDAST coaching for the this course. So now you can contact me. Don't be hesitant to contact me. Now this question number 4 is here. The clinical study was conducted on individuals with advanced stage of hepatocellular carcinoma to test 3 lines of treatments T1, T2 and T3. 36 patients with stage 3rd hepatocellular carcinoma who agreed to take part in the experiments were randomly allocated one of 3 lines of treatment T1, T2 and T3. The primary outcome was mortality and patients were monitored for up to 60 months after recruitment. The data obtained are as given as follows. So here are the data which is given here. Now for this data, the construct Kaplan and Mayer survival curves and test whether there is a significant difference between the survival distributions of the patients under all the treatments and 5% level of significance. So here are the two questions. So we need to find these questions. So if you want answer of these questions, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and if you need all the assignments from MST001 to MSTL003, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching this video. So hey, welcome guys. Here we are discussing the question number 1 of MSTL001 Basic Statistics Lab PGDAST course. So before starting this, I want to share something. So we are providing the complete paid assignments of all the codes from MST001 to MSTL002. So, and we are providing coaching also. If you want the coaching tuitions for PGDAST, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now the question is, the first question from the lab course is here. So in this one, the cooking oil supplier distributed 2 types of oils, and say oil A and oil B, to a large numbers of retail stores. The supplier wants to compare the popularity of both oils. For their purpose, he selects a sample of 100 stores and tracks record of the sold oils of each type at each store. The data are noted in the following: the store numbers. So here are the 50 stores are here. Sorry, not the 50 stores. There are the 100 stores are here, and we have collected different types of oils, oil A and oil B, and now we have to find we have to answer the following: which type of the oil has more average sales, which oil shows greater variability in the sales, determine the correlation between both types of oils, compute suitable width of class intervals for both oils, and construct the continuous frequency distribution for both oils. So here are the 5 questions which is related to this table. So if you want all the answers, and if you want all the assignments in a PDF form of all the codes, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 900 936 8238. Thank you so much for watching this video.